So I came across this beautiful YouTube video and I thought I would give a mini French lesson about it. So the title is Il te reste 6 mois pour changer ta vie. And basically this means you have 6 months left to change your life. Before we get started, I just wanted to say this is such an amazing YouTuber. Her channel name is Life of Safia, and it's just beautiful. It's a lot of personal development, really feeling like it's a therapist or a friend talking to you. Especially, this is great if you are trying to get your life together. But looking at this title, it triggered me to want to do a French lesson on the verb rester. On top of meaning to stay, the verb rester is also used when you're expressing that a certain amount of time is left for you. And we saw this in the example, Il te reste 6 mois pour changer ta vie. I'm going to give you just a few more examples so it's super clear. But I also wanted to note that it's not just about time. You could also use this for money. You could use it for vacation days. You can use it for anything where there's a quantity of something. Il me reste 5 minutes. Combien de temps il te reste? Il nous reste 2 jours de vacances. Il te reste encore un mois avant l'examen final.